that the University of South Wales is a University of Sanctuary is incredibly important. Over the last decade or so, we've seen wars in Ukraine, in Sudan, in Syria, and Wales has resettled thousands of folks who are looking to escape these wars, escape persecution, and to rebuild their lives. Now, very often, these are folks with tremendous abilities and talents and experience that can really benefit Welsh communities and our communities. Whatever it may be, we are helping people make the most of their skills and abilities and talents, and we are benefiting from this in Wales.
I am the resettlement lead for Rhondda Cynon Taf Council, and I help people integrate into the community. So I've been working with the University of South Wales for the past decade. We've been working closely on providing language education classes to help people resettling and to integrate into the community.
Doing my master's in special education needs, additional learning needs, dyslexia, that means I'm now qualified to rebuild my career and to rebuild my life in the UK. So I feel like I'm so privileged to be able to and to use my education as well in terms of supporting others in need and having a second life chance just to rebuild your life in the way that you deserve.
Making the University of Sanctuary a success involves a lot of hard work, a lot of energy, a lot of passion, and fortunately USW has an awful lot of really good people who really feel passionate about this cause. And these scholarships allow people to use the talents and experience and ambition they have to really make a meaningful, a valuable contribution to the societies in which they're building new lives.